Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi students. In the last class we have discussed about the light reaction of photosynthesis. So today we will discuss the dark reaction of photosynthesis. So the dark reaction was discovered by Melvin Kilwan. Therefore it is also called Kilwan cycle. So this discovery takes place in 1950 and this reaction is also called C3 reaction because first identified compound within this reaction are 3 carbon compound which is phosphoglyceric acid PGA. It is light independent reaction because it is not directly depend on light. It occur in the stroma of chloroplast. So the dark reaction depend on the product of the light reaction which is ATP in NADPH2. Now let's talk about the overall mechanism of Kelvin cycle. This process completed in 3 steps. The first step is carbon fixation. So in the first step, 3 carbon dioxide molecule are added to the highly reactive 5 carbon compound called ribulose biphosphate in the presence of Robesco enzyme. So it forms 3 molecule of 6 carbon compound which is unstable. So this unstable 3 molecule of 6 carbon compound is break down in the presence of enzyme to 6 molecule of 3 carbon compound which is known as PGA, phosphoglyceric acid. So carbon of carbon dioxide is a part of organic compound, therefore this process is called carbon fixation. So the next step of the Kelvin cycle is the reduction of PGA, reduction of phosphoglyceric acid. Now this 6 carbon compound will react with the product of light reaction. In the light reaction we have told that ATP and NADPH2 are formed. So this 6 carbon compound PGA will react with the product of light reaction with the help of enzyme to produce 6 molecule of phosphoglyceric glyceraldehyde, 6 molecule of PGAL which is 3 carbon compound. So out of this PGAL is abbreviated as phosphoglyceraldehyde or glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. So out of this 6 PGAL, only one molecule is isolated and converted into triose. So when this triose react with another triose and the both are 3 carbon compound, then it form hexose which is 6 carbon compound and we call it as a glucose. C6 is 12O6. So the one molecule of PGAL will make hexose sugar and the another 5 molecule of PGAL will goes to the another step of Kelvin cycle and then in the last which is the last step and known as regeneration of RUBP. So the remaining 5 molecule of PGAL which is 3 carbon compound interact with one another as the following to regenerate RUBP with the help of enzyme. So in the first step, first of all, the 2 molecule of PGAL 3 carbon compound react together to form 6 carbon molecule called glucose biphosphate. You can see here this 3 carbon PGAL will react to form 6 carbon molecule which is called glucose biphosphate. So now in the second step, then this 6 carbon molecule react with another 3 carbon molecule to form 2 compound, one of 4 carbon compound called erythrose biphosphate. You can see here the one is called erythrose biphosphate, and the second one is ribose monophosphate. So in the third step, the 4-carbon compound which you can see, which is erythrose biphosphate, will react with another molecule of PGAL from here to form 7-carbon compound called pseudoheptalose biphosphate. You can see this one and this one will react to form pseudoheptalose biphosphate, which is 7-carbon compound. So now the 7-carbon compound pseudoheptalose biphosphate, it will react with the last molecule of 3-carbon PGAL to form 2 molecules. The first one is ribose biphosphate, which is 5-carbon, and xylose monophosphate, which is also 5-carbon molecule. So in the regeneration of RUBP, you have noticed that 3 molecules of 5-carbon compound are formed, mean ribose monophosphate, which is 5-carbon, and the last ribose biphosphate, which is 5-carbon, and xylose monophosphate, which is also 5-carbon. So these 5-carbon and 5-carbon compound will react with ATP to form ADP and RUBP, regenerate RUBP, which is then ready for the fixation of carbon dioxide. So this is the overall reaction of Kelvin cycle, C3 cycle, or a dark reaction. If you have any question regarding this topic, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you very much.